What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on this channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. If you aren't new, welcome back to another video. We're back with another hair installation video for you guys, and today we have this beautiful kinky curly frontal unit from Sunber here. This is it. It already came pre-plucked, fully customized, and it has those curly baby hair edges. This is it. It is a frontal unit, but we will be doing a glueless install on this unit. Before I get into that, I just want to show you guys everything that we received in our package today. So this is the package our wig came in. In our package today, we received a goodie bag with some goodies, and we also received a melting band for our wig. This is the unit we'll be working with today. It is a 13x4 kinky curly frontal unit, and it already comes fully customized with the strap attached to it. It has the pre-made baby hair, and as you can see, it is the realistic kinky curly edges. This is the unit. It is super soft, super fluffy. I think this is a 10 or 12 inch. I will be attaching the link down below, so go ahead and make your purchase if you're interested in this unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the install. As I said earlier, it is a frontal unit, but we will be doing a glueless install on this unit. So the first thing I'm about to do is to put my wig grip band on to secure our edges. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a super thin wig cap over it. So now I'm about to put my wig on. I won't be applying any foundation to the lace before I put it on. And again, it comes with the adjustable strap attached to it already. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so at first I was truly skeptical about this unit, how it's gonna fit, because it is a frontal unit, and let's be real, frontals are not meant to be worn as glueless units, okay? But this fits my head so good. Like, honestly, it just fits. It feels like I just literally glued the unit already. So let's go ahead and cut out the ear tab, then cut the excess lace off, and basically that will be the hard part. The next thing is to just curl the unit and wear it. Honestly, I love this unit already. Again, go ahead and click that link in my description to make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So this is what it's looking like after I cut the excess lace off. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I think I will be doing a center part on this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead, part that out, and then we make our baby hair, and then we get some curls into this unit, and then we'll be finished with this unit. But this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of the wax stick around the hairline before we make our baby hair. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead now and make my baby hair. I will be using my olive oil mousse to make my baby hair. So this is what our baby hair is looking like. I did push back the front area right here. I do not feel like that fit my face at all, so I put it back. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, and then we finish curling our unit, and that'll be it for today's install. This is it though. It is super cute. I love these kinky edges. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So I'm just curling the unit in smaller portions. I feel like it's way easier to just do that than to try and curl the entire unit all at once. So that is exactly what I'm doing. And this is what the curl pattern looks like. Super nice, soft, kinky curls. Just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Alright guys, so we're finished curling our wig, and this is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off and see what she looks like. So this is it. It is completely glueless. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation around the hairline. I'm using my e.l.f. cream contour palette. Normally use this shade right here. Just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation around the hairline to make it look more natural and more realistic. All right guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It is completely glueless. This is it. The pros for me, I love how easy this was to apply. It blends so good with my skin. I love the fact that it comes fully customized already, and even though it is a frontal unit, it is given closure, it is given glueless, and I love that. Completely glueless. Again, this unit is from Sunber here. This is their 13x4 kinky curly kinky edge unit. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description, and make sure you look out for the coupon codes in my description as well. Honestly, I just love this unit. Go ahead and let me know how you feel about this unit down in the comments section. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in another video.